The problem from creation. Stepping into the classic Christian worldview, I contend the only logical and consistent view is that God created with the fall being a necessary part of his plan. The classic theist concept of God sees him as all powerful, all knowing, all etc., being outside of space, matter, and time. Such a being creates without any outside pressure and can create whatever it deems fit. This means God had limitless possibilities of what to create, yet he created this universe, this world, and this reality. However, with limitless possibilities, God could have created other possible worlds which would have been just as valid as the one we live in. A possible world is a complete and consistent way the world could have been. In other words, decisions made in this world could be different in another world. Understanding this, we see that God could have created a possible world in which he foreknew Adam and Eve would freely make the decision not to yield to the temptation of the devil and therefore stay in the garden. Such a world would have been just as valid as the one we live in now. You might ask, would that not destroy Adam and Eve's free will, essentially having God make their decision for them? Well, in this world, didn't God foreknow that Adam and Eve would without a doubt freely choose to fall? When he created this reality instead of another, was that not him making their decision for them? The only question to be asked is, why did God choose this reality over the one where they didn't fall? Logically, it's because this reality is the only one that would bring about his purposes, his will. In other words, the fall brought about his will for humanity.